Good afternoon, YouTubers, and it is just about beer time now. Hey, so notifications just popped down and covered the front of the camera, so I can't see what I'm filming, but it's gone now. So here we are. I'm lying underneath in the bowels of the Dreadnought's engine room. Oh, there's another notification dropped over the screen. Go away. Right. So Minitron's just dropped the engine down on top of me, which was nice. And what I've actually done, apart from wasting most of the day almost getting killed by my latest invention, which I'll get to in a minute, I've managed to take the crossmember off and spin it around backwards. And we now got the steering rack stub facing down, which is nice. I'm going to need some sort of power steering in this thing anyway, so I'll be hunting around for some sort of Toyota thing that'll be wide enough. Later on, I have... Oh, stop talking on Messenger, I can't see the camera screen. Right, so yeah, I've dropped the crossmember a little bit on some studded bar so I can mess around with the height of that, and so I can get that where I want it. And I can't get any further into the car because the turbo is now whacking on the firewall. So that means I'm going to have pretty hot feet if I come back anymore. Also, I'm having trouble actually seeing what I'm filming because someone's talking on Messenger and the drop down screen is covering up the camera. Push the camera down. Anyway. So if you bear with me a minute, I'll just haul myself out from underneath here and we'll see what's going on at the top. Or at least it's lighter up here. And so here we go then. Well, that ain't looking too bad. It's quite low. It's quite far back. There's a nice amount of space around there. There's probably an acceptable amount of space there now for the radiator. It's a little bit tight, but I'm sure we can do something with that. I've actually got more space in there than I had in the Ford Fairlane when I was trying to put a diesel in. That's the only reason I didn't put this in the Fairlane, is because I didn't think it was going to fit very well. Anyway, we've got plenty of space around there. Although I am going to have fun trying to put a brake master cylinder in it. And then, for most of the day, I went and collected some scrap metal, which was brand new metal the last time I saw it, but that's what happens to metal in Thailand, it rusts. And I made some sill stands. And boy, are they ugly. They're in keeping with the steampunk image. Although you have to admit that is some of the worst welding I've ever seen. Absolutely shocking stuff. Well, that's what happens when you're trying to weld rust. But we whack those in. We jack the car up on the back, but as of course you're jacking the car up, the jack goes up in an arc. And I wasn't watching the angle of the arc very well, and I tipped the damn car over. Nearly crushed myself to death. So that learned me. I need a bigger jack really, with less of an arc on it when I jack things up. So we got these under here as well now as backup, because I'm not entirely happy with that at the moment. It's a bit wobbly. I think I might put an X brace in there tomorrow just to solidify it up a bit. So that's about it for today. The light's disappearing. I can hear the beer in the fridge door calling me. So I'm off. See you all later on.